Assalamualaikum guys, in this video we are learning about the conditional operators. This is the fifth part of the operator series. So to learn more about conditional operators, stay tuned in this video and watch till the end. To watch this video, it is the best source you to learn more about these concepts. So programming concept is also one of the concepts to be learned in this competitive world to be a successful person. So to learn conditional operators, here we are. The ternary operator is also known as conditional operator that evaluates something based on the condition being true or false. It simply allows testing a condition in a single line, replacing the multi-line if else, making the code compact. Here, the ternary operator is also known as the conditional operator that evaluates something based on a condition being true or false. Conditional operator is if and only if possible when it is based on a condition being true or false. It simply allows a testing a condition in a single line, replacing the multi-line. It simply allows a testing condition in a single line, replacing the multi-line, if else, making the code compact. Syntax of the conditional operator is a variable name. Suppose we are defining variable name a and on true this statement block true if test expression is nothing but a greater than b or a is greater than 10. If the test expression passes, then it will print it true, or else it will print the false statement. It is just like if else statement which we have learned already in the previous video, that is Python control structure. So to learn this kind of concept, stay tuned in this channel. Stay tuned for more updates. Subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day. Thank you guys for being with me. Thank you so much.